Yo, good morning. We are going to run today. Preparing my snacks before I run. So let's go. So basically, I'm turning 24 this Wednesday, September 10. So I've decided to run 24 km today. Hopefully it don't run. Be outside. So technically LSD. But sometimes I get the itch. So go hard. Let's see. 24 km. 1 km in. Ikot muna tayo ng circuit bago puntang Ayala. 4 km in. Average pace is 6:30. km. I took a CR break and now we continue. 9 km to go. Last 4. Last 2. Naspag na ako, guys. That was a good run. Sabi ko, stop ako sa 12 km and then continue 12 km. But I didn't. Tinakbo ko ng straight yung 15 km. And then I stopped before 16 km. So after this long run, baka mag-take muna ako ng taper week. Baka di muna ako mag-heavy sa leg day ko this Tuesday or Wednesday. Finally, I found something to look forward to pag mag-birthday ako. Gagawin ko na siyang tradition every birthday. Yes, I'm gonna continue doing this.